guys, welcome back. Today I'm gonna do bicycle riding, and just so you know, I'm not that good. So yeah, we're just gonna put you here, and yeah, you're gonna see my reaction and how and what I say, basically. By the way, this is not how I normally do bicycle riding, but yeah. Alright, let's go. Oh my gosh. I'm so scared.
Go for it. Go up and down.
Where in the park?
Yeah.
Oh.
Try it.
That was just so much out with me. I was like, I'm terrified. I'm petrified, actually. Okay. Stop. It's already 1 minute. Alright. Let's go. Wait, is that my slime ball that I had? Oh my gosh, that's my slime ball. Anyways. Ignore what I found. I'm just going to put it in. Or that could be it. Alright, let's go. No. I'm so scared. Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna start from up. This is basically in my house garden. If you guys didn't know. Ooh. Oof. Don't tell me. Oh gosh. Thank God. I'm a Christian, by the way. That's better. No, you need to learn how to do bricks. Okay, go. I'm gonna crash. Oh my god. Oh. I almost hit the wall. Oh gosh. God help me. Okay, you know, I'm just gonna give up here. I don't know if you guys can feel it, but it kind of vibrates. Oh my god. I used to not feel it. Wait, you guys can see the bins? Now you're gonna know where I live. Oh, so you... No! I don't know if any of you guys seen my videos, because I kind of quit and I came back suddenly. But yeah. This is going to be a little sneak peek. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. I'm so terrified. Like, why am I terrified of snakes? Spiders? Yeah, I'm scared of nothing. I'm scared of... No. I'm just scared of sin. I'm scared of nothing. Oh my gosh, finally. Oh my gosh, I did it. If you didn't know what I did, because you couldn't see it properly, basically I went up. So I'm facing that way. But yeah. That was pretty smooth. I don't know if you can do that, but that's my brother. Stop letting this happen. Oh my goodness, I'm leaking my address. Please, nobody come to my house and be like, no worries, I'll just cover my address. If anybody's please. my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yes! Yes! I didn't really concentrate on the pasta, that's probably why. I concentrated on you guys more. But I know, because you look before you pass, basically. That's to do with football, guys. So don't be like, what's that gonna have to do with basketball or something that is completely not related to football. I'm so short. Like, look. You guys can't even see me. Oh my gosh. Go. Oh my gosh. Guys. No. Oh my. I just used my feet in the end. This is my glue ball. If you guys can't see, it's made out of I don't know if you guys know this, but made out of rubber, because you can make rubber. You can make slime with rubber. I know, right? When I first like saw that, I was like, what the sigma? And all you need to do is just get parts of the rubber. No. And just combine them together and then mix them up and knead them. And that's why if you have like a really bad rubber, which is basically what I have. Standing up because I don't know how to turn it. No, oh my goodness. I need to go to bicycle school, guys. Don't know if that's a thing in the UK, but whatever. Oh my god, I want the grass. Hopefully nobody saw that. I was on the grass for like 7 seconds. High five. I'm gonna post this video on Friday. But the sneak peek is on Wednesday. Cause I'm just using my feet. So don't think I'm just. Actually, you're a really good bicycle rider. Like, no, I'm the opposite. I can't even turn. This is meant to be short, but it's already 8 minutes. Like, go. What's happening? I'm in my PJs because it's pajama day. And road book day. When I did this video, like when I recorded myself, it was that time. No, you're showing me because I don't want anyone to see my address. You guys won't know my full name unless this video gets to 10 million views. So yeah, I might do Q&As. Okay. I have no idea about that. Okay, so I will check back, look at it, and see if there's any leaks of anything, like addresses, fathers, you know, like, cause I don't want you guys knowing anything. One more round, and then bye. Cause yeah. Okay, 3, 2. Enjoy this one. Oh god. I'm doing it so good. Okay. What was that? What was it? Hopefully it was nothing. It's just a sound. Ew. Okay, bye guys. Thank you for watching. Look, you don't have to subscribe, but you can like if you want to.